I love my new kumquat trees. And I remembered that's a fuchsia. Oh, glad that finally came to me. Anyway, we are reading Celebrating Chinese New Year by Faye Robinson this morning because I need to learn all about Chinese New Year. So far, the things that have really interested me are, well, it's, a harvest festival kind of thing. But this was super fun. Like, originally, the loud noises were heated bamboo, which bursts and makes a loud noise. And it was to scare away a monster. But that obviously transitioned into firecrackers, which, let me tell you, the firecrackers are going strong these days. Super excited about this because I arrived in the year of the tiger, and now I'm in the year of the bunny, which is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. But next year is the year of the dragon. That's going to be a good year too. Oh, so exciting. Now this one, the beliefs, I am doing well and I didn't even know it. So, obviously I didn't clean because I don't do that, but I did do the January purge. So I'm on top of that. I've got my decor going strong here. Looking good. I got my hair cut last month, guys. I'm on top of this thing. I'm not going to cut my luck. Flowers, again, check. And fruit, again, check. No debt. I don't know about cooking because I can't have the cake. And this is where I am now. Special food. So back to reading. And enjoying my beautiful, beautiful kumquat trees. So gorgeous. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Cleaning up for New Year's. Look at those mountains. Do you hear the flute? Those were firecrackers. Whoa. It's a good thing I decided to make today a stay-home day. Hello. So it is Sunday, I think. I have declared today my antisocial stay-at-home day. So I'm barely presentable, and this is as good as it's going to get unless Brent happens to find something interesting, celebratory of Chinese New Year going on in the street. Then I might consider getting dressed and going out, but fingers crossed he doesn't find anything. I'm so bad. But for Chinese New Year, I finished celebrating Chinese New Year, the book. And this was very informative and exactly what I needed. So I'm very happy. I shared some of that earlier today, and there wasn't anything else I think that I wanted to tell you, but super thanks to my friend in the comments for telling me that I was about to start the wrong book for mid-month book bash. Oh my goodness, you guys, sorry. There's just so much going on in my world that I just don't even know. So, we are not reading How to Be a Good Creature for Book Naturalists, January edition. We are reading A Year in the Maine Woods by Bernd Heinrich. So I have started this. I'm 33 pages in, and it's pretty good. I just think it's really interesting that the book Naturalist, so nature writing, it's a book club for nature writing, and it's very niche, right? But it's also still so eclectic. So this month is, I think, more what I expect from like true nature writing. This is like, who's that guy that went and lived in the woods? Oh, the transcendentalist dude, you know who I'm talking about. Anyway, this is kind of along that bender. It's just a year in the woods. This guy's living like very rough and remotely. He installs a phone and answering machine in his neighbor's outhouse. He doesn't even have his own phone line. He borrows his neighbor's and installs it in their outhouse. And I wrote down, well, I didn't write it down. I dog-eared this page, this corner, thought it was funny. He says, I have a mailbox at the foot of the trail, and rural delivery brings the outside world that far, which is far enough. The newspaper delivered daily to my mailbox is a convenience that I need to help start my fire in the morning. Not wanting to waste anything, I sometimes even read it. It's my kind of guy. But he talks a lot about birdsong. I think that he might be a biologist of the birdie kind. He talks a lot about birds, but there's interesting things about insects as well. What was I trying to say? Oh, he adopted, he got permission to take a crow and raise it. So he's got this crow that's living with him. So a little character, you know. It's a fun read. So I'm trying to finish. This is divided into 4 parts. It starts with summer, autumn, winter, and spring. So sorry, the phone's getting heavy. You know, these iPhone 14 Pro Maxes are pretty heavy. So anyway, trying to finish summer today at least, and then I'm going to work on Everything the Light Touches, my last NetGalley read. See if I can at least finish Evelyn's section today. See if she meets her botanist man. Anyway, oh gosh, my arm. Okay, that's enough for now because I'm having trouble hitting the red dot today. Oh, and I've been working on my journals today. I started this new one, 2023. That's kind of cute, right? So yeah, this is my mid-month book bash. I forgot to include Friday, but I don't even know that I read Friday. I'll have to check. I read 168 pages yesterday and hoping to, maybe I can double that today. That would be good. We'll see. All right. What do we do? What are we doing next? I forget. Back to reading maybe. I need to do some cross stitching too. So much to do, so little time. Okay, afternoon snack time. It's 6:30 and I only have 3,000 steps, so I'm doing laps.